Hello, little learners. Welcome to our exciting English lesson today. We're going on an adventure. Look, this is a house, a wonderful place where families live and play. Can you say house with me? House. Let's go inside. First, we have the living room. It's a cozy space for relaxing and spending time together. We can watch TV, read books, or just chat with family here. Now, repeat after me. Living room. Next, let's explore the kitchen. This is where all the delicious food is made. Can you smell it? We cook, bake, and prepare yummy meals in the kitchen. Say kitchen loudly. Kitchen. Time for the bedroom. This is our special place to rest and sleep after a long day of playing and learning. It's where we dream sweet dreams. Let's say bedroom together. Bedroom. Now, let's visit the bathroom. This room helps us stay clean and fresh every day. We wash our hands, brush our teeth, and take showers here. Can you say bathroom? Bathroom here is the dining room. This is where families gather to eat delicious meals together. It's a great place for sharing stories and laughter. Repeat after me. Dining room. Welcome to the hall. This is the entrance to our home where we greet guests and hang our coats. It's the first and last part of the house we see. Can you say hall? Hall. And finally, let's step outside into the beautiful garden. It's full of colorful flowers and green plants. We can play games, water the flowers, and enjoy nature here. Say garden. Garden. Wow, you learned so many new words today. Let's review all the rooms we visited in our house. You did a fantastic job. Keep practicing these words, and you'll be an English expert in no time. Thank you for joining our lesson. See you next time for more English fun and adventures. Goodbye, everyone.